Hey guys, we're back again. Finally got my electric lift made for my plow. Took an old cat bucket and put it on top of the motor, keep it protected. So that's kind of what it looks like there. This is surprisingly a plastic block that is bolted onto the worm gear inside this cylinder. Surprisingly it holds well, I'm surprised, but so come over here and I'll show you the frame I made to hold this on place. It's a little A-frame. Bolted it onto the axle here and then another place back there. And then I made me two guide rails here and here so that the plow don't sway side to side, stays up and down. And then this is the little plate I made bolted onto the plow, and then this lift has actually got a pivot point here and another pivot point on the other side, so that when it's down it's got a little bit of give to it so it don't just snap off. So I took all my electrical, ran it clear to the back with an old extension cord. This is kind of what I got going on in the back. I made me a little box frame out of just some of that garage angle iron they use to put your garage doors up. This is a 750 watt power inverter, and I got that ran to a big old car battery. I think that one's like a 650 or 640 cold cranking amps, but the lawnmower batteries don't work out too great. They kind of die off. And then this is like the control box. It's got two wires going in, and one goes clear to the front for the lift, and then the other one goes under the seat to this little switch up and down. So we'll come to this side. So all you got to do is turn her on. She beeps at you, tells you the voltage of your battery, whether or not you're good to go. And then all you got to do is come over here, push that little button. So we got her up now, so we'll go down. It like lifts the front of the tractor off the ground. It's got so much downforce. So we'll go back up. Good to go. I had to end up actually notching out this steel a little bit so that it lift high enough. Right in here. Cut me a little square notch out of there so it'll go all the way to the top. It's as high as it'll possibly go though, because it hits the bottom of the frame of the tractor, but I think it turned out pretty good. So all I got to end up doing now is build me a little box frame to kind of enclose this, maybe with some plastic or something just to keep it out of the weather, but I think she'll work out pretty good.